Welcome back to my channel, YouTube. Today I got a Pittsburgh Pro ratcheting flex head. This will be the 13mm. Underneath my son's vehicle. We're replacing a transmission. Earlier in the day, this bolt back here is a 13mm. It's way well, I'm underneath the vehicle, and you know it's already busted. I only had this for a week, and it's already busted. You know, if I was you, I'll spend my $19 elsewhere and get a better one. Get a gearwrench. Come on, focus. Get yourself a gearwrench. It's worth the money. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth the money. And you know, it's worth it. I mean, I can practically lift the whole transmission with this. Oh, I got it on the wrong way. I'm gonna tighten it up. Come on, get in there. See, I got it on there. Okay. Come on. I don't know the torque spec on this, but come on, there it goes. Alright, here's Pittsburgh again. Put it back on there again. See, it's all busted. I mean, I don't know if you heard that, but hold up, put it on there correctly. There it goes. See, it just comes right off. It's fucking worthless. It's fucking gone. Now it's all, doesn't even ratchet no more. Dead. It's gearwrench. See, that was even tight. Gearwrench. Buy some. It's worth it. It's worth it. Good day.